Planning a trip to Vietnam? You simply can't miss Ninh Binh. Just 2 hours from Hanoi, Ninh Binh is where nature, history, and culture meet. From towering limestone peaks to ancient capitals, this land holds some of Vietnam's most iconic landscapes and timeless heritage. Come with us to explore now. We begin with Vietnam's National Park, a living jungle full of mystery and life. Trek through lush trails to the 1,000-year-old tree. Explore the ancient Nuoc Cave, which means Cave of Prehistoric Man, or meet endangered monkeys at the Primate Rescue Center. Phuong is wild, historic, and deeply alive. From forest to river, Trang Ngon is a UNESCO-listed wonder. Drift through a maze of crystal-clear rivers, limestone mountains, and mystical caves like Tien Cave. Along the way, visit spiritual sites such as Trin Temple or Kong Palace, hidden along the water's edge. Every turn reveals a new layer of legend and beauty. Part of the Trang Ngon boat route, these twin caves reflect perfect balance. One glows softly with sunlight, the other shrouded in complete darkness. Silent, beautiful, and symbolic of nature's duality, it's an unforgettable passage. Ready for a challenge? Climb the 500 stone steps of Mua Cave to reach the peak, where a stone dragon watches over the land. From here, you'll see Tam Coc stretching out like a painting, green rice fields, snaking rivers, and jagged cliffs, all glowing under the sun. Nicknamed Ha Long Bay on land, Tam Coc offers a peaceful boat journey. Hop on a small boat and float through Tam Coc peaceful waterways. Your journey winds through 3 natural caves carved into the limestone: Ca Cave, Hai Cave, and Ba Cave. On land, follow the stone path to Bich Dong Pagoda, a sacred temple nestled into the cliffside, where each level offers a new view and a new breath of calm. Tucked away among rice paddies and limestone peaks, Taivi Temple honors the kings and generals of the Tran dynasty who once defended this land. Built from stone and wood, the temple exudes ancient elegance, with dragon-carved columns, incense-filled altars, and a peaceful courtyard where tradition is quietly kept alive. It's a hidden gem near Tam Coc, offering both history and tranquility. Bai Dinh Pagoda in Ninh Binh is not only one of the largest pagoda complexes in Southeast Asia, but also holds multiple regional records. It features the tallest gilded bronze Buddha statue in Asia, the longest Arhut corridor in Asia, and the largest bronze Maitreya statue in Southeast Asia. Set against the hills of Ninh Binh, this monumental complex blends ancient tradition with modern grandeur, a place of awe, serenity, and spiritual pride. Travel back a millennium to the birthplace of Vietnam's first centralized government. In Hoa Lu, explore ancient temples dedicated to King Din and King Lei, built on the foundations of the original royal citadel. Surrounded by mountains, this quiet complex still holds the echoes of royal ceremonies and epic battles. A rare blend of East and West, Phat Diem Cathedral mixes pagoda-style roofs with Gothic architecture. Built from stone and wood in the 19th century, it includes chapels, a bell tower, and quiet courtyards, a one-of-a-kind religious and cultural experience. A silent world of water and rock, Van Long is the largest wetland reserve in northern Vietnam. Float along its mirror-like surface and keep your eyes peeled for Delacour's langurs, an endangered primate only found here. The cliffs rising from the water are home to dozens of bird species, especially at dawn and dusk. Just a short ride from Tam Coc, Thung Nham is a hidden paradise. Board a boat and pass through the quiet Boot Cave into a peaceful valley filled with birds. At sunset, the sky comes alive as herons, egrets, and storks soar overhead. You can also explore Tien Cave, which means mermaid cave, and taste tropical fruits from the surrounding orchards. Located at the meeting point of two rivers, Nuoc Mountain is a peaceful spot rich in culture. A short climb leads you to the Wind Pavilion, where panoramic views unfold. Carved into its cliffs are ancient poems left by scholars and kings, quiet traces of a poetic past. Hidden behind towering cliffs, Am Tien feels like stepping into a fairy tale. Known as Tuet Tien Coc, which means Valley of Love, this tranquil spot was once the retreat of King Din. Today, it charms visitors with its sapphire blue lake, dramatic stone gates, and echoes of legend. Fields of spiky green stretch across rolling hills in Tam Diep, Vietnam's pineapple capital. Come during the harvest to walk among the rows, meet local farmers, and enjoy a fresh pineapple right in the field. The sweet scent and golden fruit are worth the trip alone. Unlike typical sandy shores, Kim Sun Beach is a raw, windswept coastline where bamboo paths lead through mangrove forests and clam farms. Walk out at low tide and watch as locals harvest seafood the traditional way, a peaceful glimpse of coastal life. Thung Nong is a peaceful boat route through lotus-covered wetlands, hidden caves, and towering limestone cliffs. With fewer crowds and untouched scenery, it's a quiet corner of Ninh Binh where nature speaks softly and serenity surrounds you. Ninh Binh is a place where time slows down and beauty unfolds in silence. Each river bend, temple wall, and mountain path holds a story, waiting not to be rushed, but felt. It's not just a destination on the map, but a quiet chapter in the heart, one that stays with you long after the journey ends.